In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update your PrestaShop. So in order to do this, you just need to head over to your PrestaShop, then onto your homepage, click on PrestaShop offers, and choose the offer that you want. So on my case, we have three kinds of offers, which are Classic, Hosted, and Enterprise. From in there, I actually chosen Hosted. So for this case, let's proceed to click on this Discover Hosted. From in there, you should be able to see this. So for this, they actually offer 14 days trial. So just proceed to click on this Start Free Trial option. And from in there, just proceed to create your actual website using this particular method. So from the PrestaShop themselves, it gives us how to update it. You can use the Update Assistant module, wherein you can update from the back office interface. You can use the provided Update Assistant to update your store to the newest version. So you can click onto this hyperlink right here in order to learn more as well. Now using the Update Assistant module, you can update from the command line or CLI. So the Update Assistant module is fully accessible using your CLI, so you can head over and update directly from there. Alternatively, you can also get support service. So updating your store yourself can be risky. We all know that. So if you're unsure about how to handle it and how to update it, you can seek professional help from agencies, freelancer, or the actual PrestaShop support network. You can click on this right here in order to be redirected to the community of PrestaShop, and they should be able to actually help you in updating your actual part or your actual store right there already. You can also get more out of this if you actually did some things that we have for this. So it comes with a lot of privileges because updating your PrestaShop gives you new features and disables any bug that have happened so far in the past. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.